Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing my latest and beauty box. This is the January box. Now, if you watch my channel frequently, which quite frankly, thank you, you will know that I've only just unboxed my December beauty box because I'm a little bit delayed with it. So if you're wondering why I've got two latest and beauty boxes so close together, that's why. I was delayed with my other one. This one is actually bang on time. So yeah, I'm going to show you what's inside. Ooh. If you don't know Latest in Beauty, you get 6 items for I think £15 a month. You can be a pro member, which will mean that you don't ever pay shipping, or you can just buy it box by box. Personally, I would say be a pro member. I have been a member for years. I love it. They're like my favourite beauty box. They are such good value, and hopefully today you'll see that for yourself. Anyway, let's unbox and I'll show you what I've got. There might be a few repeats in this box, but not because of any other reason than the fact that I just love the items that they're offering. And sometimes they have things at the end of one month and they have them at the beginning of the other month. And if I love the product, I'll stock up and get two. Because, you know, if it's nice, go twice. Anyway, let's see what I've got inside. So the first thing I've got is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. This is the best lip balm you will ever use. I absolutely love it. I was literally ready to buy a tube of this, which by the way is £12, which means basically the rest of this box is like £3. So it is such a bargain of a box, literally for this one item alone. But I was ready to buy a tube of it, and then suddenly I realised it's coming in the Latest in Beauty box. So I was like, brilliant, I'll get one. And then I got another one because, you know, why not? So that is my first item. And then my next item is the Dr. Organic Coconut Oil Day Cream. I have had, I think this is my second pot of this. I absolutely love it. It's such a good day cream. It doesn't smell coconutty, which I really enjoy. And it just sits beautifully on your skin. It lasts all day. Makeup sits really well on it. It's just a really good face cream. And the fact that it's full size at 50ml and the fact that it comes in my Latest in Beauty box, it just means it's a really affordable way to get a really good day cream. So I'm all in, and I bought another one, and I will hopefully get another one next month if they have any left, because I think they are brilliant. So that is my next item. And then this is another repeat. This is the Sukin Super Greens nutrient rich face moisturizer. I have sometimes used this in the day, but generally I use it at night. It's a really good, lovely, rich cream. I like the fact that you pump it out. And yeah, it's just easy, smush it on and you're just good to go. Again, this is really generous size. It's 125ml, so it lasts absolutely months, and it is a brilliant night cream. So I am all in. That is my next item. And then what else? Oh yes, God, this is another repeat for me. Again, I love it. They've got so many good products, but I am a bit like, if I love something, I will just keep buying it until it runs out. But this is the Sukin Radiance Gel Cleanser, a really good cleanser. Like, it's just good. Goes on in the shower as a great morning cleanse, or in the evening as a second cleanse. I just love it. And it's like 125ml, so it's a really good size. It's very natural, it's very organic, it's just really lovely. It's a really lovely high street natural brand. It's from Australia. If you don't know them, look them up. They're really lovely products. Like, they're kind of like premium high street, so you know, you're not paying cheap amounts for these things. So again, it's just a really great item to put in my box and store for next time I need a cleanser. And then what have I got next? Oh yes, okay. This is Umberto Gianni Scalp Serum, and I thought, scalp serum, do I need that? And then I read up, and it's all about like helping the scalp to give you thicker, fuller, better hair. And after I had Mary, so much of my hair dropped out, like so much of my hair dropped out. My fringe literally came out overnight, like it was awful. And then I had 2 hair lengths and I had spikiness going on, and one of my friends told me I looked really stupid and it really upset me. So I have now managed to grow my hair to like 1 length, but my hair's still not that strong. So I was like, do you know what? I'm going to give this a go and hopefully help strengthen my hair from the scalp. So that is my next item. And then is that everything? Ah, no, there's one more thing. So this is by Bare Minerals, and this is the Ageless 10% Phytoretinol Night Concentrate. This is an 8ml tube. This is not actually for me. I ordered this for my mum because she loves a little bit of retinol. It is so good for her skin. It just does so much joyfulness, and I don't know, I just saw this and I was like, do you know what, my mum would love that, so I'm going to get all these items for me, and then I'm going to get this one little item and give it to my mum just as a little treat. So yeah, that is my box. I love everything apart from this because this is not for my mum, but yeah, it's just so much bang for your buck. Like, these are probably worth like a tenner each, if not more. These I think are worth 12 to 15. This is worth 12, and I know that for sure because I was about to buy one. And then I don't know how much the scalp serum is, but you know when you're like, it's a lot of bang for your buck. It's definitely about 4 or 5 times the amount of the price of the box. Oh, that's my address. Probably should not show that. But yeah, that is my box. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.